What's the best way to ask for referrals? Hey, always ask for referrals. Make sure you ask for referrals. Hey everyone, just a quick video on what the difference between a lead and a referral is. A lot of people get this confused. I want to give you my definition of it. So I'll give you the referral script in another video. There's no such thing as asking for referrals. It doesn't exist. Anytime you're asking for leads. So if you're talking to someone and you say, hey, now that we've completed this project, or now that you've become a customer, if you know other people that might be interested in our services, anything like that, the old school financial advisor scripts where they show you how to get a piece of paper, slide it in front of someone and ask them for names and numbers. You're asking for leads. You are absolutely not asking for referrals. A lead, let me explain first what a lead is. A lead is a name and a number. Okay, simple. A name and a number. Whether you did Facebook, you did advertising, Yellow Pages, PPC, SEO, any kind of print advertising, print marketing, putting up signs, anything you do that brings somebody to call you or a name and number to you, that's a lead. That is a lead. There's nothing wrong with those. The only thing I do regarding leads is if I do public webinars and people get on those webinars. Hey, sorry about that. My battery died right in the middle of the video. So again, a lead is cold. A lead is a name and a number. Whatever type of Facebook, LinkedIn, print ad you did, you brought in a lead. Now, I personally do not call leads. I don't like leads. I think they're a waste of time. I want you to always remember, when you advertise, you're commoditized. I'm going to say it again. When you advertise, you are commoditized. When you advertise, the first question someone's going to ask you is how much, how much, how much. When people come in as leads, a lot of times their number one concern is price. Let me explain a referral. I have two businesses. I've been running referral groups for the last 14 years, but the fortune has been made helping people invest in land. So I'm going to talk to you about my wife's land investing business. So if, for instance, a mortgage lender sees someone who has an old IRA or 401k and they have a conversation with them about it and say, would you like to get more information about diversifying your portfolio into land, and that person says yes, step one, the mortgage lender sends me the person's name and number. Sounds like a lead, but wait, there's more. I have what's called a prospect profile that I send that mortgage lender. Name, company name, email address, phone number, age of their kids. What did the person say to you that made you think of me? What did you say to them in return? What makes you think they want to meet with us? What have you told them so far? And then I will actually coach them and teach them how to do an introduction between, for instance, the mortgage lender, the client, potential client, and me and my wife. I'll help them with the wording to do the introduction after the profile. I don't want to say everyone's desperate. There are a lot of businesses that do great. They're very successful with leads on a lower ticket item. If you're selling information products, it's great. If you're an attorney, if you do high-touch mortgage, real estate, I help people invest in land, something where the ticket's a little bit higher, leads take too much time, too much tire kicking, people want to know the price. I'm in a consultative business where it takes 2, 3, 4 hours, so I'm only talking to referrals. They were trained on what to look for and listen for, the mortgage lender. They talk to somebody who might be interested. They send me the information. I look at it. I send them a profile. They fill out a profile. That comes back. And then I work with them to do the introduction between the mortgage lender, the client, and us as the land salespeople. That's a referral. Anything else is a lead. What I've seen a lot of times when a desperate salesperson or somebody who has lack mentality or somebody who just simply doesn't know how to do it, they're chasing leads all over the place, and then they have to become closing masters and follow-up masters. Okay, when you have a referral-based business, number one, you don't have to have a whole bunch of people helping you answer the phone. You don't have to build all these big giant systems. If it's a referral, they're 75% ready to buy before you ever meet with them. You don't have to be the best closer. You don't have to have unbelievably good follow-up. Referrals are I always say referral, you teach your referral partner to put the ball on the tee. All you need to do is hit it with the bat. So leads you chase, you're commoditized. You better be very good at follow-up, very good at closing, very, very persistent. To me, it's a waste of time because I'm in a high-touch high dollar business. So I like to work with referrals, whether I'm getting them from CPAs, real estate agents, mortgage lenders. My power partners have been fully trained on how to send me a referral. So again, the difference between a lead and a referral, they do not exist in the same conversation. Leads are here, not qualified. You better have an entire lead generating system in place, know how to follow up, keep track, all that good stuff. A referral, they're 75% ready to buy because you've taught your referral partners how to send you business. So I hope this helps. Leads and referrals don't exist in the same conversation, and you cannot, telling you, under any circumstance, are you going to sit with somebody and ask for referrals, ask for referrals. You are absolutely not asking for referrals. You are asking for leads. You earn referrals by teaching your referral partners how to send them to you and what to listen for. It's a whole system I'll go over in future videos. I just want to get this one out. The difference between a lead and a referral. If you like my videos, I got a couple hundred more coming. Please like, subscribe. Hope you enjoy them. See you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.